friends, welcome back to Ice Pony Videos. I hope you all are doing well and staying healthy from COVID-19. Today I bring you another recipe and you'll love this if you're a chocolate fan. It is my favorite cupcake because I love chocolate. Today we're going to be making s'mores cupcakes. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Half a cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a few marshmallows, 1/3 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, few graham cracker crumbled, 1 large egg, 2 pinches of salt, half a tablespoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder sifted, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. Our first step is to wash our hands with soap since we are in the middle of COVID-19. Now we're going to mix our flour, our cocoa powder, our baking soda, and our salt with a whisk. I've set my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit since it takes a little while to warm up. In the meantime, I'm going to use an electric mixer and beat my butter, my light brown sugar, and my granulated sugar for a few minutes. I have mixed the mixture for about 3 minutes, and as you can see, it is fluffy and pale. Now we are going to beat our egg and vanilla. We're going to mix the dry mixture with our wet mixture with the electric mixture again for a few minutes. Now we're going to beat buttermilk with our mixture. Now we're going to stir in the marshmallows and graham crackers. You can put as much depending on to your taste. I've sprayed my cupcake holder, but you can use cupcake liner if you want. This batter will make about 9 cupcakes, and we're going to fill each cupcake about 2/3. My cupcakes are ready, and so is the oven. Time to bake our cupcakes. Please ask a parent to help you. We're going to bake our cupcakes for roughly 18 to 20 minutes. My cupcakes are ready, and I've asked a parent to take it out of the oven. We're going to let them cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to melt our chocolate chips in the microwave until they're nice and smooth. I've let my cupcakes cool for about 15 minutes. I've melted our chocolate chips for about 3 minutes in the microwave and it's nice and smooth. Make sure not to overdo them. Otherwise you will have burnt chocolate on your cupcakes. Now I'm going to show you how to decorate your cupcake. First, you're going to take some chocolate and spread it on top of your cupcake. Now you're going to take some graham cracker crumbs. You can stick them onto your cupcake and put marshmallows. Your cupcake is ready to be eaten. Now it's time for us to share our s'more cupcakes with our friends and family. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!